So we're here on this brisk fall night. The sun is setting, we got the birds chirping, and I'm real excited to show you this next project. Come on in and check it out. So we got this 2-level deck, finished underdeck space below. We did a see-through fireplace, wrap-around staircase that leads you into the space below, and one of my favorite rail top bars to date. So we got a fully finished space under this deck. Ceiling keeps you dry, rain or shine. We got lights overhead, heaters for the colder months, even screens that drop down to keep them bug-free all summer long. Now with this area, we made it more lounge-oriented. We got the see-through fire over here as a focal point, your sofa, 2 lounge chairs, nice and cozy. And wait till you see what's on the other side of this fire. So on this side of the fire, we got your fireside dining. With the double-sided fireplace, everyone gets to enjoy the fire. And just wait till you guys see what's up top. So we added this landing in here to wrap the stairs around and redirect you into the underdeck space. And wait till you see this rail top bar. Come on guys, check out this rail top bar. The inner corner here allowed us to wrap it around that side. You really feel like you're sitting at a dining table sitting here. Perfect conversation piece. And come on and check out the rest of the deck. So over here we have our upper level lounge space, plenty of room for everyone. We did our custom welded aluminum railings in black to just seamlessly blend in with the surroundings. If you guys enjoyed this space, we got plenty more coming your way. Give us a follow, give us a like, and stay tuned.